Welcome to this guide where I'm going to show you 3 effective ways to check if your Windows PC has been hacked using built-in tools. Let's start with the first method, which involves checking active network connections. Begin by launching command prompt with administrator privileges. Type netstat-ano and press enter. This command displays all current network connections your computer is making, along with their status. Pay particular attention to connections marked as established. These are active connections where your computer is currently communicating with a remote server or service. I have a couple of these in my system right now. To investigate these connections further, we need to identify where they're connecting to. Open your web browser and search for IP location. Any IP geolocation service will work for our purposes. Take the IP address from the command prompt output without the port number and paste it into the lookup tool. Let's check my first connection. It shows it's connecting to a server in France owned by Microsoft Corporation. That's likely a legitimate Windows service connection. Let's check the next connection. Looking at it, I see it's connecting to a US-based Cloudflare server. While this could be legitimate activity, like accessing web resources or using a CDN, it's worth investigating further. To identify which application is making these connections, open Task Manager and enable the PID column if it's not already visible. PID stands for Process ID, and it helps us match connections to specific applications. Back in the command prompt output, you'll see a PID column. Take that number and search for it in Task Manager. In my case, the first connection is from a Windows service. That checks out. The second connection is from an application I recognize and use regularly, so that's normal activity as well. If you find connections from applications you don't recognize, you should investigate further. You can terminate suspicious processes through Task Manager, block the connection using Windows Firewall, and investigate the application more thoroughly to ensure your system's security. Moving on to the second method, we'll examine Windows services. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services application. To make this process more efficient, sort the table by startup type. This groups together all services that launch automatically with Windows. Go through the list and look for anything suspicious. Red flags include unfamiliar service names or services that appear to be mimicking legitimate Windows services but with slightly altered spellings. Click on each service to view its description. You can also right-click and access its properties to check the installation location. For example, I can see one service here that's from Asus. That's normal since I'm using an Asus motherboard. If you discover a suspicious service, you can disable it by changing its startup type to disabled in the properties window. Make sure to note the installation location and scan any associated files with your antivirus software. If you're unsure about a particular service, search online for its name to verify whether it's legitimate or potentially malicious. For the third method, we'll check the Task Scheduler. Search for Task Scheduler in Windows Search and open it. This tool shows you all the tasks that are configured to run automatically on your system. Examine the list carefully, looking for tasks with unfamiliar names or those scheduled to run at unusual times. For any task that seems suspicious, check its properties to see what file or script it's set to execute and where that file is located. If you find something that doesn't look right, you can disable or delete the task, and then investigate the associated files or programs further. Let me know, did you find any suspicious activities on your system using these methods? If you found these security check methods helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows security tips and tricks. Stay safe and keep your system secure.